This is my chili chicken recipe that I made in my crock pot. Today's video I am going to show you how to make a one pot meal, and it's so easy to make, and all you need is some leftover chicken or some rotisserie chicken. Here guys, I had to end up sauteing my onions, my garlic, and my green onions. This is a collaboration with Creative Miss Me, Miss Stephanie, and also with Wani's House. And these are the hosts of this one pot meal collaboration, and their links to their channel will be in my description box. I thank them so much for the invite. Now, all of this recipe will be in my description box. This video is a great recipe for leftover chicken, but if you don't have any leftover chicken, you can use chicken breast. Just cut it up, season it, and saute your chicken, or you can buy a rotisserie chicken from your local grocery store. This is a one pot easy meal. I made this meal the night before, so for you busy moms, busy dads that don't have time to prepare a meal, you can always use that crock pot. Immediately after you have sauteed your onions, take your onions and place it in your crock pot, because everything now is going directly in the crock pot. The type of beans I used for this was the bush white beans, and if you want to use the white beans, that's fine, but I use a can of the white beans, and I also use a can of the bush pinto beans. But if you want to keep it just the white beans, just use the bush white beans. And also, if you want to make this a low sodium, all you have to do is rinse off the beans or buy the one that says low sodium. Remember, this is a one pot meal, so everything is going to be placed, or as they say, dumping the crock pot. Everything's going to be done in the crock pot. So that's why if you're going to prepare this, it's best to do it overnight. It's going to take approximately from 6 to 8 hours, and I put mine on high. So I did it from 6 to 8 hours, and it came out great. Now here I added some cream of chicken, and I added this because I didn't buy the broth, chicken broth. I used just water, but if you don't want to use the cream of chicken, you can buy the chicken broth instead. But I used that because I wanted my chicken to be a little, thick gravy. And here is approximately about 3 cups of chicken. Guys, when you season this, season to your desire. I will still give you the season and measurement that I use. And here, guys, I use some green chilies. They are not spicy. I thought it was spicy because I didn't want this to be spicy at all, because a lot of people don't like spicy food. But they were not spicy at all, but I added that in it. Now, I did put later on just a pinch of cayenne pepper, but you can't even tell it. I did add approximately 1.5 cups of water in this. And the seasoning that I put in, you can use your regular seasoning or salt and pepper, cumin powder, chili powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I season it to my taste. Now, because I want my chili gravy to be a little thick, I did add it later on 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and to each teaspoon I added water because I like my chili just a little thick, the gravy in it. Now, for your meat lovers, if you wanted to add more meat to this, you can also add ground chicken with this chicken. And I'm telling you, it smelled so good when I woke up this morning. Guys, this is so delicious, and remember, you can always thicken this however thick you want it. And this is my finished dish. I add some sour cream and cheese. This is yum, yum, yum. I enjoy making this. Here I added some tortilla chips, sour cream and cheese. Please let me know if you have tried this recipe or you plan to make it in the near future. I thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye from Penny.